up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on with the RS and to know exactly when my videos go live. I just want to go ahead and apologize for the sound quality. I do not have a mic mounted to my GoPro, but there is a reason for that, because we are going to pick up a fellow Focus ST owner and giving him a little ride along now that the car is on E40 with aux fuel. It should be a pretty interesting reaction. He's actually never been in the car before, so there's not going to be a comparison. I don't know if he's ever been in an RS actually, but he does have a Focus ST that is tuned by Stratified, of course, and it should be a pretty interesting video. Right behind me, I don't know if you see the sticker on his front, but he's clearly an Uber driver in an ST, you know, probably getting about 17 miles per gallon, making all the money that he could possibly make. Oh, he's scared, so. I don't think I'm that ready, dude. Oh, this is a lot more comfy than my seats. You think so? That's for sure. Say hug. I just feel like... This is the first time you've ever been in an RS? This is the first time I've been in an RS. And this fast. How's that clutch feel? Feeling better now? Now that after you broke it in? It's a pain in the ass, yeah. Way faster than mine. Holy crap. Got the shit handle right here already. It's needed, especially when my wife's in the car. She drives this a lot. I'm surprised it hasn't broke yet. You haven't had to get a replacement one yet. This thing's so loud, bro. So obnoxious. I'm ready, like, my heart's pounding here, bro. What? Yeah, it's just like, I don't know. I always thought my car was fast. Your car was the fastest car you've ever driven? No, that's not the fastest car I driven. Dude, this thing just punches, bro. Holy crap. I wasn't ready for this, dude. Should have let me mod my car a little bit more. I think this has me down. Undisclosed. Oh man, that's the first time I've ever had to grab this damn handle, man. What's that noise? Hear that? Was that your AC just blowing really hard on? I think it's just your AC blowing really hard. That was weird. Or unless, no, because your clutch is on that side, right? Yeah. No, not your pedal, your transmission. It wasn't the clutch, as soon as I turned it off. That was weird. I was probably getting a lot of air in the AC. slight intermission. Some of the under tray kind of came off. Got 2 pieces. Where did that scat pack go? You went this way?
Yeah. So with the Z. There's so much speed in this thing. Oh, that thing's it's just gonna fly off, bro. I can feel it right here. Just.
Well, there goes the rest of the underbelly, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we ran into a problem. I believe the throw-up bearing is shot. Unfortunately, clutch stays on the floor, shoots fluid on the ground. Almost 100% sure that it's done. So you guys know what time that is. Time to tear this apart, take the transmission out, and replace the throw-out bearing. Bummer. Well, that's no good. We'll be up there soon. Yeah. Alright guys, unfortunately that's going to conclude today's video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Me breaking my car is always never a good thing, so go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. We are about to tow this home and get to work, I guess. So plenty of content coming to fix what I believe is most likely the slave cylinder, if not the transmission shot, unfortunately. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, boy.